enter space. Please put your hands together for Group Captain Shubhanshu and confident. It's a huge round of applause again. An inspiration for India's youngsters, well and truly begun. I would now request.
There are obviously a lot of qualities that you need to have, but the highest that I rate, and not just for being an astronaut, but for life also, the highest quality that I rate is resilience. You have to come back. Whatever happens, whether good, whether bad, anything that is happening in your life, you have to come back to what you want to do. You have to get back there. और वो जो trait है, वो सबसे important है.
Never give up.
Never give up. Whatever happens, चाहे अच्छा हो, चाहे बुरा, even when good is happening, So when good is also happening, then also you need to know that you have to get back to what you want to do better than what you have to do. So I think resilience I will rate the highest in amongst all. And the second thing that I would say is, and you would relate, because we probably share uniform together, is discipline. Motivation lasts for some time, but आपको अगर कुछ लंबे समय तक करना है तो you will have to rely on discipline to do it again and again and again, even when you don't feel like it. So yes, these two probably I would rate the highest.
मुझे पूछना था कि आप स्पेस के जाने पहले और स्पेस के जाने के बाद आपको क्या फर्क लगा खुद में?
मैं जब वापस आया था तो मेरे 2 सींग निकल आए थे. नहीं बेटा, बॉडी में बहुत सारे फ़र्क आते हैं आप जब स्पेस जाते हैं और जब वापस आते हैं, लेकिन समय के साथ आप नॉर्मल हो जाते हैं वापस. यू गेट यूज्ड टू नॉर्मल. थैंक यू.
What is your next mission?
Not mine. What is our next mission? Our next mission is mission Gaganyaan, wherein we will launch an Indian from India, Indian rocket, Indian launch vehicle, Indian capsule from the Indian soil. We will launch and we will bring them back safely. Thank you.
So with this.